What's the meaning of bombard? Bombard. Bombard.
Bombard. Bombard. The term bombard refers to the act of attacking or assaulting someone or something with a continuous and heavy barrage of something, such as words, questions, or physical objects. It typically involves a sustained and overwhelming assault that can be difficult to withstand or evade. The result of bombardment can be devastating, causing emotional distress, physical damage or destruction of property, or even loss of life in extreme cases. It is important to note that bombardment can take many forms and may not always be physical in nature, but can also include psychological or verbal attacks.